I feel like this drink is appropriate for my background. Like, this just coconut water. Get you some.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey cuties, what's up, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this V-part wig, which I've never worked with, seen in person, a V-part wig ever. So it was super exciting. It was kind of like, I was kind of contemplating a lot of things, but we figured it out. It looks super darn cute. It's giving sew-in, honestly. Like, it really is giving sew-in. So if you want to see how I worked with this wig from Instastyle hair, make sure you keep on watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Let's get into this MF look because it's a look. So here's the wig. It was sent by, ooh, I don't have no information. Hold on, this is embarrassing. Hold on. So this is a glueless thin V-part wig. It is from a company off of Amazon called Instastyle. I'll have everything linked below, of course. I think the inch that I have is 24. I really wanted 26, but at the time when I bought it, they sold out. So I think I got 24. They sent me this wig like a week ago. It came with some earrings. It came in like a cute little silk bag. They gave me 2 wig caps, and I think that was about it. And then the wig itself. I've never worn a V-part wig before. I have worn a U-part wig, but it wasn't really my favorite. But I think I might like this one because you could leave like less hair out. So I've already blow dried my hair. I don't think I'm gonna braid it because I don't have time for that. But I might have to put like a braid or two like right here, maybe something on the side, but my hair is thin as fuck, so I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to braid it. We gotta get close today. Ah! Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is get my part a little bit better. I know like you don't really have this much space. I think it's probably like 4 inches of like parting space you get, so all of this is really unnecessary. We're just gonna take this out. So when some people was installing this wig, like they didn't leave any hair out. They just clipped it like right onto the part, which is kind of like the point of this wig. It's supposed to be like a no leave out, but I don't think I'm doing that. That's not my style. That's not my jig. So just have the wig sitting on top of my head like that, like no. I don't think that's gonna be best for your girl. So let's take this out. And then take this out. I think this is good. Alright, I'm just gonna put the rest of my hair like in a low pony real quick just so I can see. I need a rubber band. Hopefully this is effective because I'm not gonna lie, I really don't feel like braiding my hair. I really don't. I'm gonna braid the ponytail and flip it up. I just want to see like what it's giving before I just commit, you know. I might have to leave less hair out, leave more hair out, so let's just see. All right, let me show you guys the construction of this too. So you have some clips. You have 2 clips in the front, 2 clips like in the middle, and then 1 at the back of the part. There's 3 combs, which I really do hate when combs be sticking me in my head. I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna cut them out or not. You have 3 combs, and then you even have an adjustable strap. This is probably my favorite part, I'm not gonna lie, because this is really gonna help the wig sit firmly on top of my head. I'm gonna put my adjustable straps on first because that's just what I always do. I can't see in the back of my head, so I like to get this done in the beginning. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so I guess I put this here, this will go here, and then this will go here. Oh, it looks like I need to leave. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave like some of my side hairs out too. I don't know if I want it like really close to the front of my head or like a little bit further back to give it more of a natural look. I might have to put some braids because I don't like it how it's just like sliding. It's not really stuck in this spot. It is giving lumpy too. I don't like that. Because I pull the adjustable strap, it's like the whole wig is like bumpy now. I'm not really a fan of that either. But let's see. Alright, I'm going to put 2 braids at the side of my head. Because I want the clips to have somewhere to stick onto. So all of this is gonna stay out. All of this, everything that's not braidable, all the baldness is gonna stay out. And then let's see. I cannot braid. That's also a fun fact. So I really just be winging it and praying for the best. Okay, so now I have my 2 kind of like anchor braids going on. I'm trying to think if I should do one in the back. I don't know. This foundation is giving nothing. It's not giving secure at all. But we're just gonna hope. We're gonna hope and pray. I need to move this further back because it is like it's not having nothing to clip on to the top of my head. So I'm gonna move it here and then here. Yo, this is harder than installing lace. The fuck? I'm talking about beginner friendly. This is harder than installing a little frontal. So what I'm noticing, one thing that I'm not a fan of, and like I don't know if this is just me or what, but like I don't like that. This just looks too, I don't know. I'm gonna turn my hot comb on so I could get these hairs like in the front as flat as possible. I forgot there was clips and stuff in the back, so let me put that clip all up in my hair. Okay, although it doesn't feel flat at all, like I could literally lift this whole part of the wig off, it appears very flat. So I guess that's a good thing. So the reason why this is right here, like this black lace, is because you remember I was telling you guys earlier you could just part your hair and like put the wig right there. So I'm assuming that's why there's this much space so that it can be flat. But it's like I low-key want to cut it off, but I don't want to cut off all that hair, like, you know. I don't know. That's just me though. Like I'm very picky. If you know, you know. I'm very picky. I hate how lumpy this wig is. I'm sorry. It's really not, I'm not gonna blame it necessarily on the wig. Like I understand why the size of it is its size, because it's supposed to be versatile, you know, it's supposed to fit everybody's head. But I guess I have a small ass head because the amount of just room, like the amount of just like, I know when you tighten a wig and it's too big for your head, so the wig starts to like I don't like that. So with that being said, this is definitely not going to be a straight. Like I'm not going to do my hair straight because then it's going to be too lumpy, and I don't like that.
Yeah, 'cause even when I got it, I just gotta keep getting it. Even when I got it, I just gotta keep getting it. Big hotel suite, I'm the only one in it. Always going back to some shit that I already.
All right, I have my hot comb. Let's flatten this. I'm still trying to decide on how I should style it though. Like I know I'm not doing it straight, but I don't know if I should do crimps. Crimps is like my favorite thing to do when I'm doing like a leave out or something, because I don't know why my hair just loves matching with crimps. When I be doing curls, it looks crazy. If I do it straight, my hair is definitely gonna look crazy because I haven't had like a perm in years. But I don't know, I'm kind of in the mood for wand curls for some reason. Do y'all see like I don't know, I feel like I probably could have left a little bit more hair out because my hair is thin as fuck, and you could just see, at least I could see, especially when I flat iron it, that shit gonna be real thin. I didn't even think about that. I'm literally just going back and forth until I get my hair blended at least to my liking before I start styling, because that will also help me determine how I want to style based on how my hair is blending with it. I'm about to take this wax stick and get my hair flat and oily and heavy, because one thing about my hair, if it's not oily and or heavy and or greasy, it'll lift up and curl. It'll curl. Alright, so I zoomed out a little bit because we're gonna start styling now. Do I want crips? I haven't done wand curls. Let's do wand curls. Let's do wand curls. Alright, let me see what the back is giving, because I haven't even looked at the back yet. Oh, it don't look bad. Alright. You know, I just thought about, so when I was younger and I used to get sew-ins, my mom, like, she wouldn't even style my hair after she sewed it in. She just kind of like get my hair really heavy and then put a do-rag on my hair, put that shit down tight so that my hair, like, everything could flatten. I feel like I want to put a do-rag on right now. That's how I feel, so this shit can get flattened. I don't know why I am so annoyed. And it's not the wig, it's not the company, it's just I don't work with like V-part. Like, this is very new for me. This is out of my comfort zone, okay? I love how this hair holds a curl though. Like, nah, oh my goodness. Okay, let's talk about the hair when I first got it. When I first got it, I washed it. I think I just co-washed it because it's just a force of habit. I don't put hair, unless like I'm in a rush or something. Like, I don't like putting hair on that hasn't been washed yet, because like my skin, I just don't. But after I washed it, I put it in the overhead dryer on cool. Like, I have a movable one, so I like flipped it and dropped my wig in there. And when I took this wig out, guys, it was so soft. Like, it was so soft. I don't remember the last time I got hair that was like that soft, like fresh. Like, first wash, super soft, no product, nothing. Like, this hair goes crazy. I will give them that. I will definitely say that. But this, like, this extra lace, that part is not for me. If you just want to do it the no leave out way and part your hair and do it like that or whatever, then I guess the extra lace is beneficial, but this not really my jig. I didn't trim the ends either, which is like, I always trim my ends, and I didn't trim the ends on this. Not saying that I'm not going to, but it wasn't like, it wasn't noticeable to where, oh shit, let me trim these ends. Like, no, I did not trim the ends. Did I? No. And look at how full they are. Because one thing about me, I'm gonna cut some hair. This curling wand is from Bedhead, by the way. I think it's like 1.5 inch barrel. It might just be 1 inch, but it's the same size like throughout the whole thing. You know how most curling wands get small at the end? This one is the same size throughout. So I really like it for just like quick, voluminous beach curls and stuff. And it gets dumb hot. It gets super hot. I think I got it from like Marshalls or something. Probably like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. You know, they always have Bedhead and Conair products. Alright, I know the rest of this is going to take long, so I'm just going to speed through and come back when I'm trying to fix it. Take care, but they push me to the point where I'm just not caring. I'm just more ready than petty nowadays. Young and in control, even when they stoop low. I see anything is anything and everything's a go. But I already know that I'm just more ready than petty nowadays. Just know. Alright guys, so I just finished curling everything. And it's kind of cute. I think I am going to brush it out so that I can really focus on the top. But first, let's spray the curls, because I do have to go to work later and I don't want to have to curl my hair all over again. So I'm gonna leave out.
relationship before I get left in it. Yeah. The sex we had remind me of the money and success of it. Yeah. 'Cause even when I got it,
Okay, okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm doing one. Huh? See you later. Thank you. It's actually really freaking cute. I'm about to do my edges. Do my edges. Let me redo this one. Cause she looking a little, she look like she in pain. Why you not standing up? Let's take some edge control. I'm not gonna OD with the edges either. I'm literally just gonna go in like the natural direction. Like the hairs that already be out and kind of like, you know, edged. I'm just gonna do those. Just to make it look a little more natural. And then also, I'm gonna have to touch this up again later. So I don't want to put too much product on my hair. Even though it would be best to kind of weigh it down. But I also don't want it to be like cakey. What is it giving behind the ear? Okay. So I finished my edges and I kind of touched it up a little bit, and it is like cute. Like, it's cute. I don't know what I was expecting, but I kind of wasn't expecting this. I think I'll just be nervous because leave out makes me so nervous. Like, my hair is not, me and leave out, we don't. But it came out super cute. It looks like really natural. Like, I kind of like that. I guess some of the cons, it wouldn't even necessarily be from the wig itself. It's just I don't like this hump part. Like, I really don't like that. Like, can y'all see? It's not as flat as it could be. The wig was also a little bit too big for my head, but again, that's just my head. This freaking hair is amazing. Like, the hair is great, honestly. I'll probably give the hair like a 9 out of 10. The only reason why I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 is because we gotta go outside and see if it's gonna look like this. But like, the hair is amazing. It holds the curl super nicely. I'm probably gonna have to go back on their website and purchase the, like a lace wig to see how that is. This was sent to me though, so I might have to go ahead and purchase a lace wig with my own moolah just to see, because they know what they're doing with some hair. Okay,
later that same evening.
Y'all, this is how my hair is looking. Terrible. Look at my edges. Terrible. 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 It's not the wig fault though. My hair don't know how to act. Like, the whole night. The whole night. I've been looking crazy. The whole night. What the fuck? That's basically it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you guys learned something. If you're interested in getting a V-part wig, make sure you check out Instastyle Hair. Thank you, Instastyle Hair, for sending me this unit and working with me. And yes, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I just gotta keep getting it. Even when I got it, I just gotta keep getting it. Big hotel suite, I'm the only one in it. Always going back to some shit that I